Okay, so today we'll talk about reflexives. Reflexives are not often explained in any way. There's no rationale given for why they exist. My understanding that I've distilled from seeing reflexives used over and over again and explained over and over again is that usually they're used in contrast to what you call transitives. Transitive basically means that there's some action moving from one object to another or from a subject to an object. Like myself, like I'm throwing the ball to you. So I'm the subject that's throwing, you're the object that's receiving the ball. The ball is also an object. In the case of a reflexive, that transition isn't happening. So it's not transitive, it's reflexive. It's almost about the actor and only the actor. So the best examples of this are, for example, to get up. So yo me levanto is I'm the only one acting. I'm not really acting on anything. I'm kind of acting on the air. I'm acting maybe on the chair because I'm getting up from it, but we're not explicitly affecting the chair or the air. We're just getting up. So yo me levanto. Similarly, when you go to bed, right? So assuming that you're not treating the bed as an object, you're just talking about yourself doing the action of going to bed. Yo me acuesto, right? And so normally you see this happening with any kind of state transition. If you're transitioning from one state to another, like for example, if you're awake and then you go to sleep, it's me duermo is I fall asleep, right? So I'm going from awake to asleep. And the same way, but opposite would be me despierto is I'm going from asleep to awake. That's a change in state. I'm not acting on any object really besides myself. And so that is why it's reflexive.